Hello, Techsplorer family. Welcome back to your favorite channel where we explore the latest and greatest in mobile technology. Today, we're diving deep into the Oppo Reno 13 Pro, a smartphone that promises to redefine premium performance. If you're looking for stunning design, cutting-edge features, and next-level power, this might just be your dream device. So, let's get started with our detailed review of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro. First things first, let's talk about that stunning 6.83-inch AMOLED display. Oppo has always been known for delivering amazing screens, and the Reno 13 Pro is no exception. With a 1272x2800 pixels resolution, it's designed to provide crystal-clear visuals, perfect for streaming, gaming, or simply scrolling through your social feeds. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery-smooth animations and ultra-responsive touch controls. Whether you're swiping through apps or engaging in intense gaming sessions, you'll notice the difference immediately. Add an HDR10 Plus support, and you have a display that makes everything look more vivid and lifelike. At the heart of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro lies the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor. Built on an advanced 4nm architecture, this chipset ensures blazing fast speeds and efficient multitasking. From heavy gaming to editing videos on the go, the Reno 13 Pro can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The Dimensity 8350 also features advanced AI capabilities, enhancing everything from photography to voice recognition. Gamers, in particular, will love the lag-free experience, thanks to the dedicated GPU that supports high frame rates and delivers smooth gameplay. Now, let's focus on one of the standout features of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro, the camera system. Equipped with a 50MP primary sensor, a 32MP ultrawide lens, and a 16MP telephoto lens, this setup is perfect for photography enthusiasts. 50MP primary sensor capture every detail with stunning clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. 32MP ultrawide lens, perfect for landscapes and group photos, offering a 120-degree field of view. 16MP telephoto lens, get up to 5x optical zoom without losing image quality. The AI-powered camera system enhances your photos with features like night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. For vloggers and content creators, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is a dream come true. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that captures sharp and natural-looking photos. With advanced facial recognition and AI beauty modes, your selfies are guaranteed to stand out. Battery life is another area where the Oppo Reno 13 Pro excels. The massive 5800 mAh battery ensures that you can go through an entire day of heavy usage without worrying about running out of juice. The phone also supports 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging, making it incredibly convenient for users always on the go. In just 30 minutes, you can charge the battery from 0% to 100%, thanks to Oppo's SuperVOC technology. Staying connected is essential, and the Oppo Reno 13 Pro comes equipped with 5G connectivity, offering blazing fast download and upload speeds. Whether you're streaming high-definition content or participating in video calls, the Reno 13 Pro ensures a seamless experience. Out of the box, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro runs on Android 15, paired with Oppo's intuitive ColorOS interface. Android 15 brings a host of new features, including better privacy controls, customizable widgets, and enhanced multitasking capabilities. ColorOS adds its own flair with features like always-on display customization, gesture navigation, and a revamped gaming mode. The interface is smooth, visually appealing, and highly customizable, allowing users to tailor their experience to their liking. Oppo has outdone itself with the design of the Reno 13 Pro. The phone features a premium build with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i on the front and back, ensuring durability and resistance to scratches. The slim profile and curved edges make it comfortable to hold, while the gradient finish adds a touch of elegance. Available in two stunning colors, Aurora Blue and Midnight Black, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is as beautiful as it is functional. With an IP68 rating, the Reno 13 Pro is resistant to water and dust, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. While the official pricing for the Oppo Reno 13 Pro hasn't been announced yet, it's expected to fall in the premium range, given its flagship features. The phone will be available in select markets initially, with a global rollout planned soon after. For those interested in pre-ordering, Oppo is likely to offer exclusive bundles and discounts, so stay tuned for updates. To wrap up, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is a feature-packed flagship that ticks all the right boxes. From its stunning AMOLED display to its powerful processor and versatile camera system, this phone has something for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techsplorer for more in-depth tech content. Let us know in the comments what feature of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro excites you the most. Until next time, stay tech-savvy.